1. Insert the USB drive included with the shipment. Open it, and double-click on the intraoral scanner installation package. 2. When selecting the language, choose the desired language type from the drop-down menu. 3. After selecting the language, click OK, then click Next. 4. When selecting the installation path, if your computer has drive partitions other than C, it is recommended to choose another drive partition, then click Next. 5. Click Install and wait for the software to install automatically. 6. After installation is complete, choose to restart the computer immediately or later. 7. After installation is complete, go to the desktop, locate the software icon named Sorio, and double-click to open it. Step 1. When registering an account, fill in the required information: company name, account, password, verification code. Then click Register to complete the login registration. 9. On this interface, if you have only purchased the UP3D Intraoral Scanner product, simply check the first option and then click Next. 10. The user has completed registration, login, and software installation, and can now begin scanning to create orders. That's all.